Hello everyone, welcome to Cool Kitchen. Our today's recipe is pizza or pasta sauce. For this recipe, let's check the ingredients. 4 tomatoes puree, 1 teaspoon oregano. If you don't have an oregano, mixed herbs can be the good option. Half to full teaspoon of red chili powder or as per the taste. Onion powder 1 teaspoon or 1 small onions paste. Garlic powder half teaspoon or 2-3 garlic cloves paste. 1.5 teaspoon of honey. If honey is not available, use sugar in the same quantity. Salt to taste. Now let's start the process. At very first, take a saucepan, put the tomato puree into the pan. If you are going to use onion and garlic paste instead of onion and garlic powder, then you can paste them with the tomatoes. It's a healthy sauce because we are not going to use any oil or butter in this recipe. Let's add flavors to the sauce with garlic powder, onion powder, oregano and red chili powder. Here I have added just half teaspoon of red chili powder and not more than that because generally this sauce is not spicy or extra hot to taste. So don't add red chili powder more than 1 spoon. Mix it well and let it come to the boil. Let this sauce boil and cook for 2 minutes on a low flame. Our sauce is well cooked. At this stage, add some honey. If honey is not available, use cane sugar in same quantity. I am preferring honey because honey gives a perfect binding to the sauce and good for health as well. Mix it well till honey gets diluted into the sauce. Now let's season it with the salt. One more thing, if you noticed, here I have added some parsley just because I have it. If you don't have, no worries, it's perfectly fine. Now we are almost ready with our sauce. Let it cook for couple of minutes and we are done. We can refrigerate this sauce for 15 days and we can use it for pasta or a pizza. You must try this sauce in your kitchen and watch our pizza making video along with and enjoy restaurant style food at home. Thanks for your time. Please like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.